A declaration from the Telangana High Court, speaking through Justice Bhaskar Reddy, that the actions of Hydra is legal comes as a whiff of fresh air and a source of approval to Hydra, which some people believe has gone overboard. Justice Bhaskar Reddy, dealing with a writ plea before the court, said that Telangana Irrigation Act and other provisions of the law empower the government to constitute an authority that would ensure protection of lakes, and that Hydra was justified in raising illegal units over the riverbed and the banks of the river Musi. A two-judge panel of the Telangana High Court did its tightrope walking with finesse when it came to deal with the disqualification of MLAs. In two separate cases, one, a batch of writ appeals arising from judgment of a single judge, and separately a appeal filed by an evangelist, the panel said that the task of the court is to walk on a tightrope with regards to the powers and its division between the executive and the judiciary. They recognized the power of the speaker as a constitutional authority and refused to give him a timetable on the basis of which he would deal with the disqualification applications of MLAs who've crossed floor. Two-judge panel of Justice Alok Arade, the Chief Justice, and Justice Srinivas Rao modified an order of an earlier single judge, B. Vijay Sen Reddy, who held that the speaker will have to do it within a specified time frame, and it also said that if it was not done within the said time frame, the court would monitor it. This, the division went set aside and said that the speaker shall do it within a reasonable time, and left the concept of reasonable time for the speaker to decide. In a collateral case where a request was made that none of the MLAs should participate or carry out their functions on the floor of the assembly, the court literally jumped it by saying they will hear the writ petition at a later point in time and no such interim order will be issued. Heavyweights, including the Home Secretary and the Police Commissioner, was found standing before Justice J. Anil Kumar in a contempt case. The court is dealing with a case relating to promotions of constables. For decades, their promotions have been in question. The court was shocked when the court was told by the police officers that records were not available and the promotions were being made on the basis of date of birth. Justice Anil Kumar, furious obviously, said that this is unheard of in service jurisprudence, gave them time till Monday to get their act together or face contempt charges. A two-judge panel of the Telangana High Court, comprising the Chief Justice and Justice Srinivas Rao, have taken up a bill on the full tank level of various tanks in the city. They found that the authorities, including the HMDA, for over a decade and a half have not done what they ought to be doing, and therefore have now decided that they shall monitor the progress in this area of saving the lakes in and around the city. Save Our Urban Lakes must be a happy body when they hear this news. Food poisoning of students has become a matter of serious concern. While Additional Advocate General Imran told the court that he could blame it on kurkure, the panel was not really happy with the final solution. A day on which the Chief Minister has said that most people will not be let loose if it is known that they are guilty of the offence. The court has said that it will also monitor it, wanted a serious report, and was shocked that the government had acted with so much of apathy when children were suffering from food poisoning. On that note, thank you for listening to me on this day. Goodbye.